Did you know that you could be unknowingly shortening your life by neglecting something you use every single day? It's not your teeth, your hands, or even your skin. It's a part of your body that most people forget about when it comes to hygiene. Studies show that up to 87% of people don't clean it correctly, and this oversight could have a significant impact on your overall health and longevity. Dr. Emma Harris, a geriatric specialist with over 30 years of experience, revealed startling truths about these forgotten areas during a recent conversation that completely changed my perspective on daily hygiene. This isn't just about brushing your teeth or taking a shower. These overlooked parts of your routine could be the key to living a longer, healthier life. Don't miss out on this essential information. If you are not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. 1. The tongue, the most overlooked part of your mouth. The tongue is often the most overlooked part of your mouth when it comes to oral hygiene, despite its crucial role in your overall health. Many people focus on brushing their teeth but neglect cleaning their tongues. According to Dr. Harris, the tongue is home to over 700 types of bacteria, some of which can be harmful and contribute to issues like bad breath, cavities, and even systemic infections. Throughout the day, the tongue collects bacteria, food particles, and debris, forming a thin coat. If left uncleaned, this buildup can not only cause bad breath but also spread harmful bacteria into your bloodstream, which could negatively impact your heart and overall health. To understand the importance of cleaning your tongue, imagine a clogged air filter in your home. If it's dirty, it affects the air quality throughout the entire space. The good news is that cleaning your tongue is easy and only takes a few minutes each day. You can use either a tongue scraper or your toothbrush for the job. Simply stand in front of a mirror, stick out your tongue, and gently scrape from back to front a few times. This should feel similar to wiping down a counter, thorough but not harsh. It's recommended to do this in the morning and again before bed, but be gentle in the evening. Incorporating this simple habit into your routine can have significant benefits. It can enhance your taste perception, boost your energy, and improve your oral health. Take the experience of Linda, a friend of mine, who started cleaning her tongue regularly just 3 months ago. Not only did her dentist notice an improvement in her oral health, but Linda also found that food tasted better and she felt more energized throughout the day. Theodore, another friend, struggled with chronic bad breath, but after adding this simple practice to his daily routine, he found relief and a noticeable improvement in his breath. 2. Feet, the foundation of your health. Let's now turn our attention to your feet, which serve as the foundation of your body. Every day, they bear the weight of your entire body, yet many people believe that a quick rinse in the shower is enough to keep them healthy. Dr. Harris, who has worked with many seniors throughout her career, often compares our feet to the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak or compromised, everything built on top of it starts to suffer. This becomes even more true as we age, and our bodies become more vulnerable to issues like poor circulation and mobility problems. The feet are made up of 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments. With so many moving parts, proper foot care is essential for maintaining balance and mobility. Poor circulation in the feet can lead to swelling, cold toes, and changes in skin color, all of which could signal underlying health problems. For individuals with diabetes, foot care is especially crucial since neglecting proper hygiene can lead to infections, which, if left untreated, can become severe. The good news is that maintaining healthy feet doesn't require a lot of time. A proper foot care routine takes just a few minutes a day but can make a significant difference. Start by washing your feet with warm water and a soft washcloth, paying close attention to the areas between your toes, where dirt and moisture tend to accumulate. After thoroughly drying your feet, apply a small amount of moisturizer to the tops and soles, but avoid moisturizing between the toes, as excessive moisture in those areas can lead to fungal infections. Take, for example, Thomas, a 73-year-old neighbor of mine, who used to overlook his feet until he noticed discoloration between his toes. After a visit to the doctor, he was diagnosed with a fungal infection. Once he began washing his feet properly every day, the infection cleared up, and his balance improved dramatically, making walking much more comfortable for him. 3. Armpits, the detox system we forget. We all understand that armpits need regular cleaning to prevent odor, but they also play a much more vital role in your body's detoxification system than many realize. Armpits contain lymph nodes, which are responsible for filtering out toxins and fighting infections. If the underarm area isn't properly cleaned, the buildup of bacteria, sweat, and products like deodorant can interfere with this process, leading to irritation, infections, or even sluggish circulation. As we age, our skin becomes thinner and more sensitive, making it more prone to irritation. Using deodorant without thoroughly cleaning the area or leaving soap residue on the skin can cause rashes or clogged pores. Dr. Helen Carter, a specialist in lymphatic health, explains that the lymphatic system relies on clean armpits to function optimally, as this helps maintain effective detoxification and immune function. To clean your armpits properly, use a soft washcloth or sponge while showering. Gently scrub your armpits in circular motions, being thorough but delicate, almost like polishing a delicate piece of glass. For better control, especially when reaching difficult areas, use your opposite hand. After scrubbing, make sure to rinse thoroughly to remove any soap residue. Leftover soap can dry out the skin and irritate it, defeating the purpose of cleaning. Take Olivia, a 65-year-old retired teacher, as an example. She had long struggled with frequent underarm rashes. However, after switching to a gentler soap and being more mindful about properly cleaning the area, she noticed dramatic improvements. Her skin became smoother, and the irritation disappeared. This simple habit not only helped with her skin's health but also allowed her lymphatic system to work more effectively, boosting her overall well-being. 4. Nasal passages, your body's air purifier. Breathing is an automatic process we often take for granted, but have you ever stopped to consider how well you're breathing? The nose plays a much more crucial role than just allowing air to enter the body. It's your body's natural air purifier, filtering out dust, allergens, bacteria, and other harmful particles from the air you breathe before it reaches your lungs. Your nasal passages are lined with tiny hairs, called cilia, and a layer of mucus that traps debris and helps protect your respiratory system. However, over time, your nasal passages can become clogged with mucus, dust, allergens, and other particles. This buildup can lead to congestion, sinus pressure, and in some cases, difficulty sleeping or even chronic sinus infections. Many people don't realize how much their nasal passages can impact their overall health and comfort. If left unchecked, poor nasal hygiene can make it difficult to breathe properly, disrupting not only your ability to sleep but also your ability to fully enjoy physical activities, especially if you're suffering from allergies or sinus issues. Taking care of your nasal passages is essential to ensuring that your body can effectively filter out these harmful substances, and it's simpler than most people think. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment 1 below to let me know that you are still here with me. James, a 69-year-old retired construction worker, never paid much attention to his nasal hygiene until his allergies became so severe that they began affecting his sleep. He found himself tossing and turning at night, unable to get restful sleep because of constant congestion. After he started a simple daily routine of nasal care, including using a saline spray and rinsing his nostrils with warm water, he felt a dramatic improvement. His breathing became easier, and, more importantly, his sleep quality improved significantly. He also noticed that his overall energy levels went up, as restful sleep became more consistent. One of the easiest ways to care for your nasal passages is to rinse your nostrils with warm water or a saline solution each morning. This helps clear out dust, allergens, and mucus that can build up overnight. Some people find even more relief from chronic congestion by using a neti pot, a device designed to flush out the sinuses with a saline solution. This process helps clear out mucus, allergens, and other debris that may be causing discomfort. It's a simple but effective way to ensure your airways remain clear and your breathing remains unobstructed. Additionally, steam from a warm shower or a bowl of hot water can help loosen mucus and open up your airways. The warm steam helps to break down the congestion and make it easier to breathe. Simply sitting with your head over a bowl of hot water for a few minutes or inhaling steam from a hot shower can provide instant relief for congestion, especially if you're dealing with a cold or seasonal allergies. Another example is Jordan, an 84-year-old engineer who used to dread the arrival of spring each year because of his seasonal allergies. The pollen in the air would trigger intense symptoms, leaving him constantly reaching for tissues and making it difficult for him to enjoy his usual activities. However, after adopting a daily nasal hygiene routine that included saline rinses and steam inhalation, Jordan was able to breathe more freely and enjoy his golf rounds without the constant interruption of sneezing or congestion. His allergy symptoms were significantly reduced, and he felt more comfortable throughout the day, enjoying his outdoor activities without worry. By incorporating a few simple habits into your daily routine, you can ensure that your nasal passages remain clear and your breathing stays effortless. Regular nasal care not only helps with congestion and allergy relief, but also improves your overall quality of life. Whether it's waking up refreshed after a night of uninterrupted sleep or enjoying a day of physical activity without being bothered by congestion, caring for your nasal passages can make a world of difference in how you feel. 5. Belly button, the hidden source of bacteria. Finally, let's talk about one of the most overlooked parts of the body when it comes to hygiene, the belly button. It's easy to forget about, but research has shown that the belly button can harbor dozens of different strains of bacteria. The warm, damp environment around the belly button makes it an ideal place for bacteria to thrive. Over time, if the area isn't properly cleaned, bacteria can accumulate, leading to unwanted odors, irritation, and even infections. While it's easy to dismiss the belly button as just a small indentation on your body, neglecting its care can have consequences for your skin and overall health. Helen, a 75-year-old retired nurse, learned the importance of belly button hygiene the hard way. She had never given much thought to cleaning this area, but during a routine doctor's visit, she discovered a mild infection in her belly button. The infection was a result of bacteria buildup that had gone unnoticed for too long. After realizing the importance of paying attention to this part of her body, Helen started to clean her belly button regularly. Within a short period, the infection cleared up, and she was reminded of how essential it is to maintain cleanliness in all areas of the body, even the ones we tend to overlook. Cleaning your belly button is simple, yet effective. Start by using a soft washcloth and warm water to gently cleanse the area. It's important to be gentle to avoid irritation, as the skin around the belly button can be sensitive. If your belly button is deeper, tilt your body forward slightly to allow the water to naturally drain out. This will help ensure that the area is properly cleaned. Once finished, be sure to pat the area dry gently to prevent moisture from lingering. Moisture can encourage bacterial growth, so it's important to keep the area dry to maintain a healthy environment. While cleaning the belly button may seem like a small task, it can have a big impact on your overall hygiene. By adding this simple step to your daily routine, you can help prevent unwanted infections, odors, and irritation. Taking a few moments to pay attention to this hidden part of your body can make a noticeable difference in how you feel and your confidence in your hygiene. So, what have we learned so far? We've explored 5 often overlooked body parts: the tongue, feet, armpits, nasal passages, and belly button, that play a crucial role in our overall health. By taking just a few extra moments each day to care for these areas, you can prevent discomfort, improve hygiene, and ultimately enhance your quality of life. Maybe it's cleaning your tongue to freshen your breath, giving your feet the care they deserve, or being more mindful about your nasal hygiene. These small changes can have surprising results over time. The key takeaway here is that it's the little habits that, when practiced consistently, add up to big results. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you've learned from this video that you'll start incorporating into your daily routine? Let us know in the comments below, and feel free to share your tips and experiences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share this video with someone who could benefit from these simple health tips. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on more content like this in the future. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier life.